Hearing aids are an important tool for those with hearing loss and can greatly improve quality of life. Here are some best practices for using hearing aids effectively. Wear them consistently. Consistent use of hearing aids will help improve hearing and adjust to the new sound experience. Wearing them as much as possible will also help maintain the habit. Clean them regularly. Regular cleaning of hearing aids will help prevent damage and keep them working properly. Clean the microphone and speaker ports daily, and the casing and battery compartment weekly. Use them in a variety of settings. It's important to wear hearing aids in a variety of environments to get used to different sounds and improve hearing in different situations. Use the right battery. Use the correct size and type of battery recommended by the manufacturer. Poor batteries can affect the performance of the hearing aids. Adjust volume and settings. Regularly adjust volume and settings to ensure optimal performance and comfort. If you have trouble hearing certain sounds, consult with your audiologist to adjust the settings. Get regular checkups. Regular checkups with an audiologist will help ensure that your hearing aids are functioning properly and that you're getting the best benefit from them. Use proper maintenance and make sure to store hearing aids in a safe and dry place, and handle them gently. Consult with your audiologist for proper maintenance and repair. Be patient and persistent in wearing them, and if you have any trouble, consult with your audiologist. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your hearing aids and improve your hearing experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and follow along for more quick and simple content.